buy that shit. Just leave me alone, okay? This order, they getting regular shit. It's I could choose what I want. Hey, this one was like, go get some big ass balloon and some flowers. I'm not going to get that shit. No, not going. I refuse. But like with the bus thing, I don't understand. Like, normally those kids walk to the end of the block and they're together. You know, that was what was really disturbing, is she was alone. And, you know, normally they're walking together, but they stopped right in front of their house. Because I remember when I was a child, if you stayed in a house or something like that, even in an apartment, they stopped right in front of your apartment. We didn't have to walk to no end of the block. The only time I had to walk to the end of the block is when I stayed in like duplexes. So that makes sense. They ain't gonna stop at every single duplex. When all of us kids stay, we can group together and wait together for the bus. That time was, you know, I understand that. But the bus stopped right in front of their house. You're telling me they couldn't have drove right up the street and stopped in front of that girl's house? That's unacceptable. I don't know who's over this stuff, but the school district crap, I don't blame just them. I blame actually them and the parent, because me personally, I would not let my daughter walk anywhere at that age by herself. I don't even think with nobody. I'm not letting, no. She don't even go to school with them kids, with them people. I don't know them people. I don't know them kids. I'm not sending my child to school with some strangers. I don't care what you know, what people's opinion about it is. That's just how I feel about it. Those people are strangers. You don't know them. Half of these parents ain't even met the teacher. But yeah, that's a topic for another day. But that was disturbing, and we got to do better. Hold on, where am I going? Oh shit, Wall Parkway. I'm getting confused. Whoa. Cause see, it's so many places that you can pick up from, so I have to check back and see where I'm picking up from. I almost forgot. But one thing I learned about doing Shipt, if you do Shipt and you pick up from Best Buys, because I'm still new. I only started like in November of last year, so I'm still new to Shipt. But if you're picking up from Best Buys, see, with those Best Buy orders, I found out they didn't order that stuff that day. And some of the people may not even know that it's coming through a service and not through the mail. So it's like businesses, and businesses are closed. When you go pick that stuff up, I don't see Best Buy orders till like after like 4 o'clock, and then they'll have like they need to be delivered by 6 or by 7 or by 9. It used to be by 9 when they closed, but they've been lowering the time requirement to when it needs to be delivered. It says you can pick up at 10, but none of the orders are ready at 10. So I don't understand. And I asked the Best Buy guy. He said the orders he's seen shit people come is like noon. I haven't seen any orders at noon, so it's almost like those particular orders are setting you up for failure, because the one I accepted last night, it said it was going to take 1 hour and 26 minutes to deliver it. Well, I didn't get there till 6. So if they have to be delivered by 7, guess what? That's not going to be within that time frame. So I feel like those orders are setting you up for failure. Also, you can check and see where they're being delivered to, and if it has a suite, you really want to look out for if it has a suite, because and you're delivering at 6 and 7 at night, because those businesses are closed. So don't accept the ones that have a suite, because you're going to have to return it back to the Best Buy either the same night or the next day, because the businesses are closed and we're not supposed to leave packages, you know, unattended at businesses. You're supposed to hand it off to the customer. So when I found that out, I was like, okay, I'll make sure I pay attention to that next time, so that there's not a because when I'm done with my shift, I want to go home. I don't want to drive back to Best Buy unless I'm going to pick up another order. Okay, that's it. Now they do pay you for dropping the orders back off, but that's besides the point. I want to go home when I'm done. So I don't know how much memory this phone has, but we're gonna try to make it do what it do, man. We're almost to Target. So, but I got my own bags because look at this Beamer. Okay, Mr. Beamer. God damn, sir. You're in a rush. I got this what the fuck was I gonna say? I don't know, that Beamer just like threw me all off because it was like driving super fast and shit. Like, come on, guy, where are you going? But anyway, but some of the Targets like to send you to a particular line that's like hella far from where you checked out at to bag up your shit. So I have something for their asses. There's only one Target in particular that makes me do that, and it's really annoying. So what I did was I grabbed a stack of bags, and I have my own little shopping thing. It's got wheels, so as long as there's nothing like the shit that I'm about to go get now, I can use it and just come to the car and throw the shit in the bag because they be tripping. I'm not walking down to register 16 to sack up no shit, and I'm right here at the self-checkout. I'm right here at the self-checkout, you know? And you know what the thing that gets me with traffic? If people drove accordingly and like in the right lane, because like, you know how they say stay in your lane? Not if you in the wrong lane. You need to get the hell out of that lane. You need to get you need to get in the according lane and then stay in that motherfucker. And then you can't stay in the same lane. Can we talk about that? Sometimes you need to go slow. Sometimes you need to go fast. And you know, sometimes it's one lane. That'd be a bitch. I hate that. Because it's always some fast motherfucker driving 25 miles over the speed limit all up on my ass and shit. You know, sometimes it's one lane, sometimes it's two lanes. You just got the fast lane and the slow lane. And then I like it when it's 3 lanes. It's typically like the highway. Because they got like a slow lane, middle lane, and a fast lane. The fast lane people here, they are driving at least 10, 15, 20 miles over the speed limit. I am not bullshitting. I like to drive around the speed limit. I'm not in a rush. I don't have nowhere to be. I do have somewhere to be, but I'm not in a rush. I need to have enough time. When I'm talking shit, I need to take my ass in here. Okay, we at the Target. Hold on, we at the Target. We at the Target. So now that I got my other phone, okay, we can say we headed to the store and we can start the shop. So what they do, they have you add the order to a shopping list, and then you go down the shopping list and then it tells you everywhere you need to go. So that's what they want. They didn't order no pagan shit, so I'm cool with that. And let's go. Okay, I'm gonna pause it for a second till we get in the south. I hope it's the right way. Okay, let's go, baby. Let's go. I should have brought my little 2-hit thing. I should have brought my little Okay, so oh shit. Alright. Bangs and shit. Okay, we're not using no basket because this shit they got will slide all in here. Here's the bag I got. It's rolling, baby. Alright. Okay, it said A3. Okay, we passed it. Okay, it's right here. Okay, A3, baby. Degree. Where the hell degree at? Okay, so it's twin pack. Let's see, the barcode is what's gonna help you. 267009. 267009. a tripod in this motherfucker. You can sit this right here on these, some shit right there. Okay. 658. I'm not seeing that. Gillette 12. Okay, there's that one. But I don't see this other one. It's weird. One razor. So annoying. They never have the shit that they fucking looking for. Nerve. Ever. Excuse me. Yeah, but
nail polish? Oh no. Wait a moment.
Is there another spot? Oh no. Yeah, I tried that. What's the one behind it? No, 658 7. That's not it.
No?
One razor, one cartridge. Okay. See what I'm saying? Hold on. So when you can't find the shit, you have to message them and let them know. I see one with 2 cartridges, but not 1. Cartridges. So annoying, because that holds up your shit. Would you like that one? So annoying, right? So while they were waiting for them to respond, I'm gonna go get the other shit. 814, she wasn't no fucking help. She didn't even speak English. She think I know. I don't know. So that's why I wish my daddy would have taught me Spanish, because I would have been like, Maria, you need to quit fucking playing with me, because I need my shit. Hold on, 814, okay. Oh, it's so annoying, man. Okay, let's see.